So it is trying that, we now have to teach via Zoom through different means of communication. But as we teach hula and we share our ike with our students, a lot has to be in this time is that we must malama kapalama, meaning take care of our space and protect it. So what that means is wear your mask, do the 6 feet distancing. What you say, you cannot get back. So you don't want to cause or add to the pollution that is out there in this pandemic. So we all must be mindful, and it's getting back to the basics of just aloha ke kahi i ke kahi. Having love for one another, have compassion and forgiveness, and just show true love. And we can all get through this. Because there's always the light at the end of the rainbow. Always the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. If we don't have hope, then there's not gonna be tomorrow.